Guys, what is her drag name? Comment down below like what her drag name is. So my drag name is Ruby, but she dead. So we're thinking like Amethyst.
Amethyst?
Did you have a pet?
I don't have no street name. My pet's name is Taffy.
Taffy, okay. Taffy, and then what was your first street name that you ever lived on?
Dawn Rose.
Taffy Dawn Rose, honey. That is a cute ass drag name. Taffy Dawn Rose, honey.
That sounds country.
Hey fam!
Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where Patrickstarrr
Oh my gosh!
will be slaying my makeup. So he did a complete drag transformation on me. So what inspired you to do this look?
Well, you know, I've been following Aaliyah for quite some time. I remember I first saw you when you did the barbecue smoky ad. And then I think I've seen you before, but I think that's when I really watched a full tutorial.
Okay.
It was I tried my Patrickstarrr makeup.
Yeah.
And I know she's like very glossy, very dewy, very like fishy, very woman. And I was like, let's give her drag, alter ego, Sasha Fierce, gothic, glamour. She's never worn black lips. She's never worn contacts. She didn't even know what 301s were. And we did bottom lashes as well. So.
Yes.
And she's wearing my wig and my shirt and my necklace, so.
He wore this when he did Kim K's makeup.
Yes. I'm so excited to see you up in this drag. She's feeling herself. She be strutting around my studio thinking
I look so
all that in a bag of chips, okay? I'm so excited about to collab, and we also met at the Benefit Brow Search, and this was such an amazing opportunity for me to meet and connect with someone like her and to be inspired by someone like her, and thank you so much for having me on your channel.
Thank you, Patrick. If you guys did not know, when I was a part of the Benefit Brow Search contest, Patrick was my coach. So we met there, connected there. We had a one-on-one. He gave me guidance, advice, tips. And now I feel like he is my makeup mentor. Aww. And I'm just so grateful to have met such a wonderful person.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, she's amazing. Everyone go subscribe to her. And if you guys want to see how we did this look,
then stay tuned. Keep on watching. And I hope you enjoy this video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes. Okay guys, guess who's doing my makeup?
Patrickstarrr, guys. We are turning her into a drag queen. I mean, she does so many creative looks on her page already, so I was like, how can we change this up? So first of all, she's wearing contacts for the first time. I put them in, so easy, and we are wearing Desio contacts in the color, I believe, Wild Green from the Attitude collection.
And they're actually very comfortable.
Yeah, I love it. So first thing to any drag makeup tutorial is a glue stick. Ooh, wrong one. Y'all need to find the purple glue stick. There we go, fresh. I'm gonna go ahead and put this glue stick down on her brows. Well, you've never done drag makeup before.
I've never done drag.
But like, you glued down your brows, you said once.
Once, but I was doing a review for a brow stamp.
Oh.
Drag seems intimidating,
I think it's just fun. I don't think it's any different. You're just really replacing like your features with new ones. So I put one layer down. We're gonna blow dry on cool. And we're gonna repeat that like 20 times.
Okay, so what are we doing next?
All right, girls, so we did about like 4 or 5 layers of this, and they are glued down. I recommend, like, if you're doing brows, you would look to the side to see how flat that brow is. So freaking crazy. And next we're gonna take some good old Airspun, mama.
You've been using Airspun since the beginning.
Girl, since the day you was born, honey. And we're gonna go ahead and take it on a puff. So I'm gonna take this and just push it in. And then you really just wanna fill in all the little holes and crevices between the glue. Are we the same color, you think?
I think you're slightly more red than I am.
Okay.
I'm a yellow bone.
What foundation do you use?
Right now I'm using L'Oreal Pro Glow, NARS. I'm Tahoe and NARS. I'm 435 in Lancome.
Girl, those are awesome light ass foundations.
Cover my moles.
Oh girl, we're covering your soul today. I think we're going so full coverage you can get away.
With the deeper?
Yeah, because that's what drag is. You don't have to match your skin tone. You don't wear normally heavy foundations, do you?
I've never come across one I like. They're always too matte, and I don't like matte foundation. But they dry too quick.
Oh, this one dries really fast.
Because I like to take my time blending, so I can't have a foundation dry on me that fast.
This foundation here is actually my color. It's a little bit orange, but you know what I mean. Girl, she is last.
Covered my moles.
Girl,
They're gone.
Yeah, it's a little in person. It's a little bit more orange, but I mean, this is drag. It don't matter. And I'm working in sections. This one is the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in the color medium 62.
You have such a busy schedule. How do you like stay sane or like your mental health?
Oh my God, I think like, guys, I have asthma today. Please don't mind my asthma. You just gotta like learn when to say no or like learn when to like log offline. Because sometimes you don't get to enjoy and then you like miss like opportunities.
Yeah.
And sometimes I feel like bad because I haven't called my parents or I haven't like, spoke to like my friends that are not on social media. So I think that's like just really important to just keep that mindset to always like make some time for yourself. But that's just not what social media, that's what like, even if you're a mom watching or if you're a student and you're just dedicating your life to like school or something, you have to like take some time to yourself so you can function.
Because you're always traveling, always on the go.
You know like those, like did you play Sims when you were growing up?
Yeah, I love Sims.
You know like when it's like the little levels on the bottom of the character, it's like urine, love,
Yeah.
hunger. You have to keep all those levels up. And it's a battle.
And you're always collabing. Who's your favorite?
I don't know. I love Kris Jenner. She was so fun.
That video.
Yeah, she was so fun. All right, guys, we are gonna go in with the Booty Blender and just dollop a bunch of foundation on the top. I don't want to use a brush because I don't want to irritate like the strokes that we put in. When I did Redman's drag makeup, he was like a whole pump for the brow. This is drag, you guys.
I've never been in drag. I'm excited to see what you're gonna do. How I'm gonna look.
I've always wanted to see your brows like way more arched because they're more like they're arched, but they're like more straight.
It makes me look old.
But I feel like if you did like a little bit of a bitchier brow.
I tried to do your supermodel brow, but I was like, what is he talking about? Cheat the line, what does that mean?
I'll do it in a drag form for you.
So, since you're collabing with someone like me, what makes you want to collab with someone like me?
I don't know. I think when we met. I don't know if they know if they saw your vlog about it. Look up at me. I think I made it a point to have like a team.
Yes.
And so like I chose you because I loved your videos and we got to bond, and I didn't want like this competition with benefit just to be the end of it. If you can further your education, and I've been so blessed like with experiences, and that's something that you can't buy. You can buy like $2,000 lights, like a $4,000 camera, like hundreds of dollars worth of makeup. Like, ooh, you look like an egg. Girl, she look like an egg. I just wanted everyone to have an opportunity, and then when we spoke, I said, listen, I want you to have the opportunity to come to my studio and film and like maybe ask a bunch of questions.
When you said that, it just, because I was already emotional that day. Well,
Do you want to tell them like how I offer this to you?
So Benefit chose top 12, and the people who didn't get chosen, I was one of them. Of course, you're happy for the other people, but you're also like, well, why did they choose me? And I was just thinking like, well, what did I do wrong? Like, was it my pitch? Was this? Was that? So I mean, you're kind of emotional at that time because like you tried your best. Plus, the day we had our pitch, like, was the day I lost my makeup. So I was in shambles. I was going through it. Like, I was so emotional. I was about to cry. I was about to show up there barefaced. Oh, she's white.
Girl, this is drag, honey.
But so I was already emotional. I was like holding back my tears when they chose top 12. So after that, Patrick came up to us and then you just gave us a talk and you said, that you'd give us a boot camp in LA.
Mm-hmm.
And like that just made me emotional. I was like, you do not have to extend yourself like this.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, that's just so sweet. I was like, I wish there were more people like you.
I just love learning, you know, and I feel bad because there's not like a formula or class like how to be a beauty blogger. There isn't that. Bitch, you looking sick on me, honey. Okay, so next we're gonna take NW45. This is my favorite powder for contouring. Cause Leah and I like have matching skin tones almost, so I feel like we can get away with
Same colors.
the same colors. This is when you just wanna go crazy.
I don't really know how to snatch my contour. That's why I just bronze.
It's the same thing, it's just more specific. Like I'm really messy with my contour, but I just clean it up with like loose powder. So just want to go from the top of the ear here. Girl, your wig cap is gonna look like you've been in performing. This is called beating a face, girl.
We are really caked.
We're really painting for Rapul.
Ooh, you really shaped a cheekbone.
Girl, they're not even done, girl. This is so you see. I'm like so messy when it comes to contour because, you know, whenever I do my contour, I cross, but my titty's in the way, so I can't really reach the other side of my face. So what I do is that I'll just go really messy, like this, right? And then I'll just take my puff and then just go boom.
I need to utilize my puff because I only bought it because of you.
Girl, do you see this?
Shaped.
Honey, shape tape who, honey? Kind of just erases it.
Maybe I need to try this powder.
Okay. So next is the part where I etch out the bottom of the lash line. Yes.
This always made me nervous because I used to do makeup on people. The lower lash line, I was always afraid to poke them in the eye.
Really? Girl, but this is a new lash line. It's not even yours. Look at these lips, guys. She looks so sickening. This is the one time someone else is gonna have more makeup than me ever in one sitting. I thought, why not take the Aaliyah lip gloss and put it on Miss Aaliyah.
Oh, I didn't know they had a black one.
It's kind of like a dark purple, but it's so sexy. And I think gloss. We need to bring gloss back. I'm tired of these dry ass lips.
Yes.
We're gonna pile on as much gloss the Lord will allow. And with gloss, I don't like to go too far to the edge because it'll bleed. So I'll just do it right here on your real lip. And yes, we did overline her lips, believe it or not. It's a Patrickstarrr video.
I like the overline lip look. Oh my gosh, I look so different.
Girl,
you guys recognize
she
me?
looks so amazing. Let me just tell you, I was so nervous when we started and I was like, oh shit, I don't know if I could do this. But I think, like I've said before, you have to trust the process and do makeup. And I think if I were to do her drag makeup again, I would have a better understanding of her anatomy, of her different face, of her drag face. And I'm so excited I got to put a real woman in drag.
I have 301s apparently. Those are the standard. Those are the staple drag
Yes.
lashes.
Do you love it?
I look so drag. I've never seen myself like this before. I really like it. I want to try to do this on myself one day.
Yeah, we definitely glue the brows down, contacts, stack lashes, a black lip, overline, full coverage on top of full coverage. And what better person than Miss Aaliyah to do it on? Thank you so much.
It was so great filming with you. I'm so grateful to
Yes.
have met you and filmed with you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. I love you guys so much. And until next time,
always remember to serve, honey.
And I will see you in my next video.
Bye. Cheers.